Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Decide who you are on LinkedIn and why, then act. You pick one primary persona, role, tone, and 3 signature skills. Once chosen, map the audience, the job titles and companies you want to reach, focusing on 1-2 priority groups. Next, apply a consistent visual style for your profile photo and header so your persona feels real. Start writing your headline and summary in that voice immediately. Make sure every line reinforces the persona and signal to your ideal connections. Now you turn persona into content. Write a concise headline, role plus 1 key skill or target audience. Then craft the About section as a tight story. Name the problem, explain the value you bring, and list 3 proof points. Write in first person so it sounds like you. Populate experience with outcomes and metrics, add links and featured items that back your claims. Once done, schedule 2-3 posts that reflect this voice so your feed begins to match the profile. Finish by actively using the persona to engage and measure. Post consistently, mix short takes with longer insights and 1 case study a month, then monitor impressions, profile views, connection quality, and response rate. Use a /B test for outreach messages and post formats and iterate every 2-4 weeks. If results lag, troubleshoot. Make sure your voice matches audience language, check headlines for clarity, and verify featured links work. Change 1 variable at a time. This keeps iterations clear and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.